With modern web technologies like HTML5 and PHP, you can now perform tasks inside your browser without the need to download disk-based hogging software. And because they're web-based, they'll run on just about any operating system, including Windows, Mac Linux, if you Chromebook users Chrome OS. So in this video, I'll show you 5 cool websites with awesome tools that can replace your PC software. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that whenever I publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible, okay? The first website is Online Convert. There are several file converters available to download, Handbrake and Format Factory, both quite popular online converters. But what I recommend if you don't want to download any software or slow down your computer, the categories on the site we use most often are audio, image, and document converters. As an example, to convert a PDF to a Microsoft Word format, go to Document Converter and in the drop-down menu select Convert to DocX. The file size limit is up to 100 megabytes, and as a warning, don't ever convert anything with personally identifiable information like your social security number on the screen. Go to your folder and drag and drop the PDF file into the box. Make any changes if needed, and this will vary depending on the file type. Then click Start Conversion, and then wait for it to finish. When it's done converting, just save it to your computer. Next up is VirusTotal. VirusTotal is one of the most useful security sites ever to be created. It uses more than 70 scanners to detect viruses, malware, and other malicious content. It works great as an added layer to your normal security software, eliminating the need to download additional software to scan any file on your computer. Make sure that file is selected. Then drag and drop any file on your computer into the window. According to this all, say the file is clean back on their home page. You can also check to see if a website is malicious. Select URL and in the search box, and is available for Android, Mac OS, Linux, and Windows. I'll be going through the next few of these at a quicker pace. Figma. Figma is meant for people involved in user interface and user experience design. It's great for designing websites, logos, prototyping, and a whole lot more. It's actually very similar to a program for Mac OS called Sketch. What sets it apart from its competitors is the collaboration features, making it an excellent choice for team projects. Figma's free plan is quite generous, but it's only best for small teams with a limitation of 1 team project for unlimited projects and additional features. Their professional plan is $12 per editor per month. Also, if you're an educator, check this out. But their education plan, educators and students get the same features in the professional plan free for up to 2 years. If you're a web developer and you're still using image compression software, TinyPNG is for you. It simply reduces the size of your image files, making web pages load faster. It's simple to use. Just drag and drop your image or images up to 20 no larger than 5 megabytes each into the window. When it's done, you'll see how much your image has reduced in size. And it says here, Panda just saved you 52%. You also have the option to download it to your computer or save it to Dropbox. If you want to drop more than 20 images at a time and increase the file size limit to 75 megabytes for each image, the Pro plan is just $25 per year. Next role is Powtoon. This is a platform for creating short video presentations with tools to help you create fully customized animated slideshows that are presented like videos. It's very user-friendly and highly intuitive to help give your videos a professional quality look. Powtoon does offer a free plan, but limits the presentation length to 3 minutes for longer presentation length and additional features. Plans start at $19 per month. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description. If this video is useful for you, give the thumbs up and share with others what websites you use with powerful tools that are good alternatives to PC software. Let us know about them in the comments, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe and click the notification bell for more cool websites and other tech-related stuff here on Mr. Lim.